While we're in the engine bay, we can get to replacing the fuel filter.
First, let's locate the fuel filter on the right side of the engine. Grab a rag and place it under the fuel filter housing to catch any spillage. Remove these two hoses and unplug the two sensor connectors. Undo these nuts and lift the lid from the filter housing. From there you can remove the old filter cartridge. Next, grab your fresh Ryco Fuel Filter and gently install it into the housing. From there you can put it all back together. Now for the most important step in the fuel filter replacement, priming the fuel system. This is a critical step to avoid trapping air in the fuel system. To do this, repeatedly press the primer head until the plunger becomes too hard to push down.